Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Payhip to PayPal. If you've been selling products on Payhip and want to get your earnings moved over to your PayPal account, this process is incredibly straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to payhip.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready so you can access your seller dashboard without any hiccups. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page. You'll see several navigation options there, and one of them is labeled Account. Click on Account to open up a drop-down menu. From that menu, you'll want to select Settings. This is where all your account configurations live, and it's the central hub for managing how your Payhip account operates, including payment processing. Once you're in the Settings area, look for an option called Payment Details and click on it. This section is specifically designed to help you manage where and how you receive your earnings from Payhip. It's crucial because this is where you'll link external payment platforms to ensure your money flows smoothly from Payhip to wherever you need it. Now, within the payment details section, you should see several payment method options. Find the one labeled PayPal and click on Connect. This button is your gateway to linking your Payhip account directly with your PayPal account. By clicking it, you're essentially authorizing Payhip to send your earnings straight to PayPal. After clicking Connect, you'll be prompted to connect your PayPal account. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection between the two platforms. This typically involves logging into your PayPal account and confirming that you want to allow Payhip to transfer funds to it. Once the connection is established, any money you earn through Payhip will automatically transfer to your PayPal account according to Payhip's payout schedule. This makes managing your earnings much easier since PayPal is a widely accepted platform for receiving payments. And that's it. You've successfully set up the connection between Payhip and PayPal, ensuring your earnings are transferred seamlessly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.